Namaskar. Department of English presenting some selected scenes from the play Final Solutions by Mahesh Dattani. Scene 1. Characters: Trushali as Daksha, Drashti as Hardika, Bhavyata as Smita, Gopi as Ramanik. Chorus: Upasana, Hina, Gayatri, Riddhi, Payal. Lighting: Hetal, Rajeshwari, Bhavyata. Presenting Scene 1.
I felt that the idol I had grown up seeing my mother worship was just a painted doll. A doll, no different from that ones that I used to play with and thought it was a real person. Then I knew it was Krishna slapping me on the face, punishing me for being a non-believer. The stone broke our gramophone table, breaking it. My entire collection of records broken, lying like pieces on the floor. Krishna chose to destroy what I loved the most. The songs of love that I learned to sing with. Samshed Begum, Noor Jahan, Suraiya. All those beautiful voices. Correct.
After 40 years, I opened my diary again and I wrote a dozen pages before, a dozen pages now. A young girl's childish gibber, an old woman's shaky scrawl. Yes, things have not changed that much.
The procession had been passed throughout this land every year, every 14 years. How dare they? For 40 years, our chariot has moved through their mohallas. Why did they? Why did they? Today? How dare they? They broke our ruts. They broke our chariot and failed our God. This is our land. How dare they? This is their blood. It is their blood to destroy. Why should they? It could have been an accident. The stone that hit our God was no accident. The knife that slit the Pujari's stomach was no accident. No accident! No accident! Why should they? It could have been an accident. Why should they? Why would they? It could have been an accident. Accident? Send them back! Send them back? Drive them out! Drive them out? Kill the sons of swine!
No, nothing else was mentioned in the English news. They only talk about Rath, and the curfew is still on. Yes. Haven't they come? Oh. Don't worry, I will do that right away, and I will call them and call you back.
Who was that?
Daddy, Tasmin sees the Muslim girls' hostel was bombed.
I think it is not. Was the building damaged?
Yes, it is true. She and the other girls are trapped inside, and the matron called the police, but nobody's come. No, nobody's hurt. Thank God. It was those homemade soda metal bombs. I have to call Tasmin's parent in Jivanagar to tell them and come and fetch her. The poor situation's so panicky as it is.
Wait a minute. That wasn't a bomb.
It was a bomb. She is right. Even matron called the police.
Did she say it exploded? Was the building damaged? Did any part of it fall down?
Oh, you never can get when it is urgent.
Smita, I think your friend is overreacting.
She isn't. It was a bomb. It is really, it was a bomb.
Did she know? Did she know it was a soda bottle? If it had exploded, there would not have been any pain around. So it must have just smashing against the wall or a broken window, making a loud noise.
Oh, how can you get that it wasn't a bomb? Let me call her parents.
Give it to me. I'll handle this. Hello? I am calling from Amargaon. We don't know each other. You see, my daughter is Tasneem's classmate. And no, she is fine. Don't worry about your daughter. In fact, that is why we called to tell you that. Yes, colleges are closed and curfew hasn't been lifted. So we must assume you might be worried about. And yes, everything is just fine. No. Oh, no trouble at all. Please, don't mention it. Yes, anytime. Yes, and you must visit Amargaon when you are in Amargaon. Yes. Mr. Noor Ahmed? Mr. Noor Ahmed? I am Ramani Gandhi. Hello. I am Ramani Gandhi. Oh, we were cut off, I think.
You weren't cut off. He disconnected while you were talking to him.
Their chariot flew over in street.
Thank God, now cost rest before us.
So they blame it on us? Was the chariot built by us?
Blame the builder of those fancy thrones.
A manufacturing defect.
Doesn't their God have a warranty? We are neither idol makers nor breakers. But they blame it on us? Why did they? They say we raised the temple yesterday.
That we broke their chariot today.
That we will be walk the street tomorrow. Why would we? Why? Let them send us back. Where?
This time, it wasn't the people with stick and stone. It was those two boys running away who afraid me. I know that they were begging for their lives, asking for help. Tomorrow, they will hate us. They will hate us for protecting them. I know all this memory came back when I see pride in their eyes. I know their wretched pride. It had destroyed me before, and it destroyed my family again. They don't want equality. They don't want equality. They want to be superior.
And I heard faintly from the window above the voice of Noor Jahan. The window was shut, but I'm sure they must all be sitting next to the gramophone, listening to my favorite song. But, oh, why take the Tonga? have to go so fast. I could only hear the song faintly. But as we moved from her house, I could hear the song loud, as if I was sitting next to my gramophone. It was playing in my mind. The words I had forgotten came back, and I sang out loud. I only stopped when we came to our door. Then I saw my father-in-law.
Why did they stay? This is not their land. They have got what wanted. So why stay? They stay to spy on us. Their heart belongs there, but they live on our land. They are few, but they can't do harm. Time will tell you who they are, whether they mean harm.
Shit, we are lost.
Let's keep walking till we meet someone.
But won't they suspect us?
Pretend you know nothing. Don't worry. I know a lot of people in this town.
Yes, and I hope we won't meet any of the people you know.
Look, I admit I was wrong. What more do you want?
I can't believe you didn't know what you were doing.
I promise I never do it again.
Who are you? What are you doing here?
Sir, perhaps we lost. You can help us.
We need to get to the bus terminus to catch a bus.
To catch a bus?
To Jivnagar.
All the street lights are broken.
Smashed.
Yes.
There are no buses leaving tonight.
But they told us the curfew will be lifted today.
You are hurrying to leave town?
No, we are not in this town.
So why did you come here?
Why do you want to know?
Please, let me handle this.
Answer the question.
Sir, we told you we were...
Who are you? I know a lot of important people here. Leave us and we won't harm you.
What else have you got?
Nothing. We have very little money.
Serve them. A bus ticket from Jivnagar.
We told you we were...
20 seconds. They came on for 20 seconds. Something is fishy. Yes, it is a bad smell, like a big pig. What is this?
A handkerchief, sir.
I know. But why the knots?
It knotted to hold something, sir.
To hold something?
Yes, sir.
Like maybe your head?
I wear it because of the heat. The sun is too hot. It is not good for me. That's why I wear.
Leave him alone. I came on a 22nd in a van. Don't you understand?
Look what he has. So you came in the one.
Oh no.
Presenting. Scene 3. Pooja as Hardika, Avni as Daksha, Kansham as Javed, Rajeshwari as Bobby, Gopi as Ramani. Presenting Scene 3. General light on.
Why are you still here?
We were about to leave.
Smita said we should have a breakfast and
You will have to wait till Aruna finishes the puja.
We could leave now.
Wait! Have you ever thought of going to Pakistan?
No.
Why not?
I prefer Dubai.
Then you can live the way you want without blaming other people for your failures.
Yes, you are right.
You should have done that years ago,
Yes, you are right.
like we did. Many years ago. Me and my family. We left Husainabad. My father? My father died in Husainabad. Do you want to know how?
It doesn't concern us.
It doesn't concern you, then who does it concern?
I don't know, but it doesn't concern us.
He was beaten up on the street while we were waiting for him to take us away from this hell, and he was beaten up on the streets.
It still doesn't concern us. We don't want to hear it.
If something happens to my sister today, can I blame you?
What happens to your sister? It doesn't concern me.
It doesn't concern you.
She deserves it. Your sister deserves it. Zarina deserves it. What did you say your sister name was?
Tasneem.
Oh, I thought it was Zarina.
Shouldn't I off? No. What are you saying, Hari? Yes. It is not true. It is just not true. Kanta is lying. She lied to you. I did not touch their food. I did not touch their food. Ah! Don't hit me. I swear. I did not eat anything. Ah! Don't hit me. Please. Stop it. Leave me alone. They hurt me so much. Why do I have to suffer? My own family because of them. I just wanted them to be my friends. I would have been so happy if I haven't met them. I hate this world. I hate your pride. I lost respect forever in my husband's life because of the pride of your people. I was ruined. I won't do it again. Please! I hate your dress. I hate the way you look. I hate the way you eat. Let me out! Ba, don't blame them.
You don't know how I feel.
I can. They are not to blame.
I cannot forget. I cannot forget. I just cannot forget.
Cindy, over.